Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making two types of sandwiches with the homemade beer bread and also using the hot sandwich maker. If you have some leftovers, you can use as a fillings. It is perfect for breakfast or lunch on the weekend. So let's get started. The first one is leftover egg salad and choose hot sand. On the bare bread, spread some homemade mayonnaise and top with the leftover egg salad and one slice of cheese. Bake for about 5 minutes and it's done. Once it's brown, it'll be hot. So take it out carefully and cut it half. My daughter is helping me prepare the coffee while I made the sandwiches. I'm impressed that my 3-year-old can transfer the coffee beans without spilling them. Lately, my daughter has been wanting to help with everything, like mixing the batter for pancakes and wiping the dishes. The next one is chicken tomato hot sand. This is also leftover chicken breast. It is moist and goes well with the sandwiches when sliced thinly. This time I had tomato sauce, so I added. Don't forget add the slice of cheese. Bake for 5 minutes and it's done. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!